Hello guys, today we will discuss our next tutorials. As you may noticed, I didn't publish for a week, and the reason I wanted to take some break and prepare some tutorials and sample projects, which is more important, because I don't want to make just courses or some basic videos without real-world applications. So my main goal is to make tutorials with real-world applications, and that we can work on them together and we can have some interactive process. And right now on our YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, we have tutorials for Django and Flask, and also I did some stuff for React Native using Expo. But most of them, they are on a base level. So for the next level, which will be adding, for example, database or API calls for React and React Native applications, I wanted to make them on real-world applications, not just some instructions or courses, but some kind of real example, and also deploy and host this example. And for this, I needed the time because I wanted to prepare some deployment stuff, to make some. I did some tests on, for example, React and React Native, because as you know, I am mostly backend engineer, a backend developer. So I wanted to get some knowledge on React Native, some JavaScript libraries. So as a first step, tomorrow we will have some introduction video on NPM, because if you know, I did some posts on Instagram asking people what's NPM, and most of the people, they say that we don't know what's NPM and how we can use it. So if you can make some tutorial for for beginners, it will be very helpful. So as our first step will be tutorial for NPM. And also on projects, I have list of the projects that we will do. Here you see some of them. For example, we will do to-do list. You will do URL Shortener, tutorial hub, some kind of Reddit for tutorials. It will be public, so we will make the project and publish it and also use it. So in our, as you know, we have community on WhatsApp, on Instagram, so we can share it and use it together. Also, we'll do some small projects like Google search suggestion tree. It is mostly algorithm and data structures, so we will test it. And also we will have some analytics, for example, on Udemy and Instagram. So we'll do some research project using data science and maybe some machine learning algorithms. As a technology stack for backend, we mostly will use Python with Django and Flask web frameworks. On front end, we will have React and React Native. That was my main question, because I wanted to check some front-end libraries, and my decision was for React and React Native. So I will make text bigger so you can see. And also on all these projects, we will have some tests on algorithms, data structures, and maybe we will have some examples on Go language, because right now I'm learning Go language, and maybe I will share some stuff on Go language. But main goal from this week, is to make videos more periodic. So maybe we will at least have 3 videos per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I also did some stuff for live streaming. I have all this equipment, but right now I have very bad internet connections. That's why I cannot make live streams. But I am working on it in Netherlands, in Amsterdam. It's not too easy. Yeah, it's easy, but you have to make some arrangements. Yeah, I will make it. So we will have also live videos. But for now, tutorials based on real world examples, real world projects. And also some periodic videos like this one, where I share some updates and etc. So let's on our projects and technology stack. Please let me know what else you want in our technology stack. So I missed here database. So in database we will have MongoDB, and it will be mostly Postgres. And as an environment, we will rely on Docker Compose, and we'll do some tests for Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. I already have these accounts. As I said, I did some tests with sample projects. So, and also for most of the front-end projects, we can use GitHub Pages. If I am not wrong, it's called GitHub Pages. Let's check it. GitHub Pages, yeah. Yeah, we will use this a lot because for example, for React and React Native applications, you don't need, special hosting. For tests, you can use GitHub Pages and deploy your stuff. That's it for our projects. That's it for our plans. Please make sure that you are subscribed and you have also this notification enabled, so you will not miss our next video. I am also thinking about some kind of daily Scrum or daily update videos where I share current state of our tutorials, of our progress. So yeah, if you are interested in the process itself, it will be valuable for you. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.